on, everyone. Let's start the adventure. Woo! Woo! Are you ready? Wow, look at that. Oh! And there's more. Join me on the next adventure. All right, Tony the robot, check this out. Beep, bloop, bloop. We did it, high five. I got it to work. Look, it's spinning. That's wonderful, Tony. Good job. I've got it. Let's see if it works. Wow, it worked. Look at this robot. Beep, boop, beep. You can do it, Tony. We did it! Yay! All right, little bot, let's try this. Move forward, then turn left. Wow, it worked! High five! Teamwork makes the dream work. Look, it works! Wow, great job, Tony. Let's try this together. Teamwork makes the dream work. Yes, it worked! Good job, Tony. You did it! We did it! Teamwork! Look, it's working! Wow, you did it! Good job! Good job, Tony. Now try the yellow sensor. Like this? Yes, it's working! Hooray! He's dancing. Come look. All right, robot, let's try this code. Great job, Tony. You're a coding superstar. We did it. All right, little robot, let's try this. Yes, it worked. We did it. Beep-bop-boo. Good job, Tony. Now press the button to bring it to life. I did it, look! Fantastic. Look at these parts. If we put them together like this, we can make it move. You did it! Fantastic! Good job, Tony. That's excellent coding. Yeah, it worked. Woohoo! Amazing teamwork, everyone. Look, Miko, the blue block goes here. Beep boop, understood. Now press the green button to make it dance. Wow, it's working. All right, little buddy, let's add this blue block. Beep boop. You did it, Tony. That's amazing. All right, little friend, ready to build? It's moving, Tony. We did it. He's dancing. Wow, you did it. Good job, everyone. We made it work. All right, little bot, let's connect this wire. Beep boop, engaging systems. Excellent work, Tony and Bot. You did it! All right, little fella, let's make this work. Success! Look what we did. All right, robot, time to build. Wow, look at it move. Good job, Tony. It's working. I found the perfect block. Good job, Tony. Watch this. Wow, that's amazing. All right, let's see. This piece goes here. Beep, bloop, yay! We did it! High five! Hooray! Great job! Let's try this block here. Great job, Tony! That's it! Yes, it worked. Look, the robot is blinking. I'm gonna put the blue block right here. Awesome job, Tony. That's perfect coding. All right, let's connect this piece. Beep, bloop. Good job, robot. Dance. Wow! All right, robot, let's try this. Great job, Tony. Look at it go. Yeah, we did it. All right, let's program you to dance. Wow, Tony, look at what it can do now. Good job, Tony. We did it. Good job, Tony. Now, which block do you think goes next? This one. He needs a tall hat. Perfect. Now let's make him do a little dance. Yeah, a dance. Good job, Tony. Look what you did. Yeah, I did it. See? Okay, Tony. Now we can test it. Yes! Look at it go, team. All right, little bot. Let's make you move. Yay! He did it! Good job, Tony. We make a great team. Look what I made. Let's try this piece. Wow, that's it. Almost there. Good job, Tony. Yes, it worked. Good job, Tony. Now, let's try this code. Wow, it works! We did it! All right, little friend, let's make some magic. Good job, Tony. Now, press the green button. We did it! All right, robot, let's try this sensor. Beep bop. Success! Yes! Now, how about this code? Look, it's working! Wow. Good job, Tony. Yeah, I did it! Excellent team effort. Okay, let's connect this piece. Beep bloop bloop. Now, push the green button. Hooray, it's working! Okay, let's connect this part. Beep beep, thank you! Now, let's try the code. Woohoo! Yes, we did it! All right, robot, let's add this block. Good job, Tony! Now, program this dance. Wow, it's dancing! Hooray, you did it! All right, little friend, try this. Wow, it works! You did it! Excellent teamwork. All right, Sparky, connect this here. Amazing, Tony, he's moving! We did it, Sparky, good job! Fantastic teamwork, everyone. All right, little robot, ready to dance? Beep bop! Look, it's working! Success! Wow, this robot lab is amazing! Let's build something! Look what I made! Fantastic job, everyone! Awesome, we did it! Great work, Tony! Look at it go! Yeah, high five! Awesome, we did it! Beep boop! Fantastic job, Tony! All right, little bot, let's get you moving. Look, it's working! We did it! Great job, Tony, he's moving! Yes! We got it! Excellent work! Hooray! All right, robot, let's make you dance. Wow, it works! Good job, Tony. Look at it go. Awesome, you got it. Good job, everyone. Look at this. It's working. Wow, that's amazing, Tony. We did it. Excellent teamwork. All right, robot, follow the red line. Yay, it's moving. Good job, everyone. Yes, it works. That's right, Tony. You did it. All right, little buddy. Time to wake up. Wow, it works. We did it. Fantastic job, everyone. Look what happens if we connect these two blocks. Ooh, it moved. Try making it wave its hand, Tony. Wow, look at that. Excellent work, Tony. It works. Woohoo! Good job, Tony. Now, let's see if we can attach the red block. Like this? Yes! Perfect. Teamwork makes the robot work. Yay, we did it! Let's try this piece, little friend. That's right, Tony. Connecting it there makes it strong. Wow, it works. Look, everyone. Fantastic job. You got it. Wow. Well done, Tony. Look what I did. Wow. That's so cool. Excellent job, team. Let's see your robot move. Wow, it's working, Ho. Look at it go. Look, Tony, we built a flying robot. Woohoo, it's working. Yes, I did it. Excellent job, Tony. Look, it's alive. Wow, so cool. All right, let's stack these colors. Beep, boop, beep. And now for the code. Almost there. Wording. Yes, we did it. Clap, word. Look, I added a block. Now, let's make you dance. Great job, Tony. Now, try pressing the blue button. You did it. Good job. Let's try the blue block next. Yeah, we make a team. Good job, robot. We did it. Yes, teamwork. Wow, that's amazing. Good job, Tony. Try adding a movement block. Like this? Perfect. Look what it does. Cool. It's dancing. All right, Tony. You're all set. Success. Look what we made. Fantastic job, everyone. All right, robot. Let's build something amazing. Look, a light. Good job, Tony. Now try the green block. Like this? Yes, you've got it. That's excellent teamwork. All right, robot, let's make this happen. Good job, Tony. You're doing great. Wow, it's building it. That's so cool. Wow, look at it go. I did it. Excellent work, Tony. Teamwork makes the dream work. Okay, let's connect this part. Great job, Tony. Now, try the yellow block. Yes, it works. Look, fantastic. High five. Good job, Tony. Now try the yellow block. Wow, it fits. I told it to move left. Excellent work. All right, robot. Let's build something amazing. Good job, Tony. Now press the blue button. Let's give you this one. Happy robot beep. That's it, Tony. Excellent work. Okay, robot, let's try this code. Yes, it worked. Good job, Tony. That's excellent problem solving. All right, little bot. This block goes here.
Cool! He's dancing!
Fantastic job, team. All right, little bot, ready for your mission? Beep bloop. That's it, Tony. Good job programming him. Watch this. Go. Ta-da! Look at this block.
I'm programming you.
Excellent work, Tony. Look what it does. Wow, a robot lab. Let's build something. Okay, Tony, try this block. Watch this. Almost there.
Hooray! It's working!
Yes, we did it. You're a brilliant programmer. Yay! Look at our robot. All right, little buddy. Time to wake up. Wow, it's working. You did it. Good job, Tony. All right, little bot, let's give you this piece. Beep bloop. Look, it works. Wowee! Fantastic, Tony. All right, robot, let's put this part here. That's it, Tony. Now try adding the code. Wow, it's working. Good job, friend. Great job, Tony. Now, let's see what happens when we connect this piece. Wow, it works. Look at it go. Okay, Tony, find the sensor block. Got it. Programming complete. Excellent teamwork. The robot is ready to go. Okay, little robot, ready for this? Beep bloop. Just right. Look, it works.
Hooray!
Good job. All right, let's test this code. Beep boop beep. We did it, friend. Woohoo! Hooray! All right, robot, let's try this. Great job, Tony. You're a natural. Yes, it worked. Excellent teamwork, everyone. Yes, the green block. Now move forward. That's right, Tony. I did it. I made it wave. All right, code uploaded. Beep boop beep. Program success. Yes, it worked. Look, I did it. Wow, it's working. Fantastic job, Tony. All right, Mr. Roboto, let's put this right here. Beep boop bloop, confirmed. We did it. High five. Beep beep, excellent teamwork. Look at what we built. Wow, it's working. Great job, team. Yes, we did it. Great job, Tony. Look at what you've created. All right, Tony, find the blue gear for the robot. Almost got it. Here it is. Excellent, team. Now try the code sequence.